Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So I have this friend that found this old Alcatel mobile phone at the bottom of a storage box. The owner said that they forgot the password and they was ready to chuck it in the bin. Fair enough, I don't blame them, it is old, but I'm here to show you a simple way on how to reset and wipe the password right off this Alcatel phone. This is also handy if you know an older age person who still uses one of these phones and who also has forgot their password. So first of all, you're going to have to power the phone off. So go ahead and press the power off button. Then wait for it to power down. And now the power is off, press and hold the volume up and the power button at the same time, only for a few seconds. You should now see the Android logo appear, followed by the Android caution sign. Select the menu key on the bottom left hand side of the phone. Go ahead and use the volume down button on the side of the phone to navigate down. Then go ahead and select the wipe data factory reset option using the left hand side menu key. This will take you to a new menu. Just simply navigate down once again using the volume down key on the side of the phone. Select delete user data once again by using the left hand side menu key. You will see a little Android character with a box. Then straight after that you will see a standard Android logo. This will appear, and if everything is followed correctly, you will see the Alcatel One Touch logo appear, and just after a few moments, 1 minute later, your Alcatel phone will now be reset, where you can now select your language, keyboard, connection, go through your usual phone startup settings like time and date, etc. And there you go, no password, and okay, it's an old phone, but it's a fully working old phone. Anyway guys, I hope this video helped somebody, and please, it is important to share. Please smash that like button, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell option to stay updated on all my new uploads. Thanks for watching, peace!